Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we learn how to create a PowerPoint presentation in 3 minutes. Let's begin and start. We have to go first, start menu, open the PowerPoint. So this whole scenario, the new commands, the new era is coming through the artificial intelligence and new features, Microsoft Copilot and such features are very interesting. So first we have to create a new and we have to start here quick starter. Can you note it quick starter? I am going to click quick starter. Let's suppose I have to make a history of computer. This history of computer.
Low power.
Let's suppose I am choosing these slides. Let's suppose I want to choose any other topic going to write in computer and this whole presentation going to be uh, built in seconds.
Low power.
So we have to choose the layout. Which layout do you want to choose? Let's suppose I want to choose this layout. Going to create. This whole presentation going to be ready. Let's suppose I'm going to review this presentation.
Low power.
This is the whole computer scenario, ontology, history, and you have to put whole ideas. And another tool I'm going to check out in this video, that is designer. I'm going to check out the designer